This is interface for PSIM software. By using PSIM, we can simulate the circuit for firing angle control. In the elements, go to power. In switches, select a diode, another element, triac is selected. Resistor placed, then another component capacitor. All these components, they are interconnected by using wire. This dot indicates junction point. Gate is connected to terminal of a diode. Here we can use resistor as load, or you can also refer a lamp as load. AC source placed. In this way, we can design or place different components and interconnect them. For this diode, we can select the value of breakover voltage and other parameters. Similarly, for triac also, we can select the parameters. The resistance R1 is 1K. R3 is another value of resistance, or we can use pot instead of this R3. So in this way, we can construct or interconnect different components on PSIM interface. This is simple construction or simple arrangement. This is waveform for triac conduction. In this waveform, you can observe this is a triggering point and output will be produced from this point up to this particular point. So this signal or output will be generated when we vary the value of variable resistor by using pot. We can change the triggering point by varying the value of variable resistor. For this simulation, instead of PSIM, we can also use another software like Proteus software, Skylab software, and MATLAB also. In Protis software also, this is interface for Protis Design Suite 8.11. So in Protis software we can follow the same procedure. Here in library we can pick various parts as per our requirement, interconnect the circuit, and we can achieve the outcome of simulation of firing angle control for diac and triac phase controlled circuit in a software. Thank you.